name is Tenmadi from DEU3C. My matrix number is 08DEU23F1197. Today I am going to share about the process of changing a new wall socket. The equipments that we need are screwdrivers, voltage tester and a new socket. Firstly, the power circuit is turned off. Warning: do not proceed without confirming all the appliances is disconnected from the socket. Next, a voltage tester is used to ensure the power is off. Always test the voltage on multiple points to ensure there is no current flow. Then the faceplate is removed from the old socket. Subsequently, the wire is pulled out from the socket using screwdrivers. After that, the wires are attached to the new socket to the corresponding terminals. Ensure that the wires are not damaged to avoid any current leakages when turning on the power. Following this, the new socket is fixed in a place and fastened with new screws. Finally, the power is turned on to test the socket. Ensure the socket is not broken to avoid any electrical leakages. Attaching a new wall socket is a straightforward process if we follow the safety precautions correctly. By carefully attaching the socket and the wires, the installation should function safely. Thank you.